Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 7 best water gun on AliExpress under $50. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the water gun are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the MYJCK automatic water gun, the perfect toy for boys, kids, and anyone who loves outdoor fun. Designed for non-stop fun, this electric automatic water gun makes it easier than ever to take your water fights to the next level. Powered by a lithium battery, this MYJCK water gun gives you endless shooting power for hours of play, so you can focus on the fun, not on refilling or pumping. With its automatic water storage system, you can fire powerful streams of water with ease. No need to stop and refill, just aim and shoot as much as you want. Whether you're battling your friends, cooling off on a hot summer day, or creating your own fantasy water adventure, this gun is the perfect companion for kids aged 14 and up. Built for durability and adventure, this MYJCK automatic water gun is designed to handle all your wildest water games, indoors or outdoors. The portable, easy-to-handle design makes it perfect for kids and adults alike. Plus, it's light enough to carry anywhere from the beach to your backyard water fight. This electric water gun has 4.6 rating and 2,000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Let your imagination run wild. With themes like animals, nature, sports, and fantasy, this MYJCK automatic water gun transforms every water battle into an epic adventure. Safety comes first. This MYJCK automatic water gun is certified with CE and 3C certifications, ensuring a fun, safe experience for everyone. From summer beach days to backyard water fights, this MYJCK automatic water gun is the perfect toy for creating unforgettable memories. Ready to make a splash? Get your MYJCK automatic water gun today and dive into the action. Introducing the Bandai electric water gun. This isn't just any water gun, it's a high-powered electric water blaster that's built for ultimate fun this summer. Perfect for boys and young adventurers, this Bandai electric water gun features a large capacity reservoir, so you'll never run out of ammo during your epic water battles. Thanks to its electric-powered mechanism, you can blast water with precision and power. Just aim, pull the trigger, and watch the fun unfold. Whether you're battling your friends in a backyard water fight, cooling off by the pool, or playing on the beach, the Bandai electric water gun is designed to keep you cool and having fun all summer long. With its large water capacity, you won't need to stop and refill every few minutes. Just load it up and enjoy hours of water splashing action. This electric water gun has 4.9 rating and 170 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. It's not just about power, it's about endless fun, perfect for kids who love high-energy summer play. Crafted with durable materials, this Bandai electric water gun is built to withstand all your summer adventures, season after season. Whether you're gearing up for a water battle with friends or just want to cool off on a hot day, this Bandai electric water gun is the perfect toy for boys who love action-packed outdoor fun. Ready to make a splash this summer? Get your hands on this Bandai electric water gun and let the water wars begin. Introducing the G36 water bomb gun. This electric-powered water bomb gun is not just for kids, it's designed for everyone, from children to adults, making it the ultimate beach toy for family fun. Whether you're looking to cool off on a hot summer day or enjoy an all-out water war, the G36 water bomb gun delivers the perfect splash every time. With its electric pistol shooting mechanism, this water bomb gun makes it easy to fire at long-range targets. Just pull the trigger and let the fun begin. The G36 water bomb gun is designed to shoot water bombs with precision, giving you a thrilling experience every time you pull the trigger. Reloading is quick and easy, just load it up with water bombs and you're ready for non-stop action. No refills, no hassle, just pure fun. This electric water gun has 3.0 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Perfect for beach days, pool parties, or backyard battles, this water bomb gun is the ideal gift for children, boys, girls, or anyone who loves exciting outdoor play. From thrilling competitions to just cooling off in the sun, the G36 water bomb gun guarantees hours of fun for all ages. Built for durability and long-lasting fun, the G36 water bomb gun is designed to withstand the wildest water battles season after season. Ready to join the action? Get your G36 water bomb gun today and make every summer moment unforgettable. Introducing the automatic water gun, the high-pressure electric water toy that guarantees non-stop fun for kids and adults alike. Whether you're gearing up for a friendly pool fight or just want to beat the heat, this water gun has got you covered. This isn't your average water gun, it's a high-tech, battery-powered marvel that delivers a powerful stream of water with every shot. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, this automatic water gun can keep up with your action-packed adventures all day long. No need for constant refills, it's got plenty of water power to spare. It's super easy to use. Simply aim, press the button, and watch the water fly with impressive pressure. Get ready for intense water battles like never before. With its high pressure stream, this automatic water gun ensures you can take down your opponents from a distance. No one will see you coming. Perfect for kids aged 14 and up, this toy is designed for endless outdoor fun and water-based excitement. Whether you're at the pool, the beach, or your own backyard, it's time to make a splash. Safety first, remember, do not aim at eyes. Always play responsibly and enjoy the fun. This electric water gun has 4.1 rating and 2,000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. This automatic water gun is CE certified, ensuring it meets all safety standards. Plus, with its durable build, it's perfect for those high-stakes water games this summer. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to unleash the ultimate water fight experience with this automatic water gun. The future of outdoor fun is here. Don't miss out on the fun. Get your automatic water gun today and let the summer adventures begin. Introducing the ultimate summer companion, the Space Electric Water Gun. Ready for action and fun under the sun. Available in 2 stylish colors, blue and pink, this futuristic water gun brings a new twist to your water fights. With its electric automatic water absorption, no need to stop and refill manually. Just point it into the water and watch it instantly fill up water with ease. Powerful, fast, and ready for action, this water gun shoots steady streams of water, making it perfect for outdoor beach fun, swimming pool battles, or even a splash-filled day in the yard. Designed for comfort, the Space Electric Water Gun features a fashionable, simple style and an easy-to-hold grip. It's not just a toy, it's an adventure in your hands. This electric water gun has 4.0 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. It's more than just a water gun, it's the perfect way to improve hand-eye coordination, sensory skills, and even encourage parent-child communication. Get the whole family involved in exciting water fights. Measuring 55 by 22 by 7 centimeters, this water gun is just the right size for children and adults alike. Whether you're cooling off at the beach, splashing around in the pool, or having a backyard water fight, the Space Electric Water Gun is your go-to toy for endless summer fun. Get ready for a whole new level of water fight excitement. Introducing the ZNMSQ electric water guns, the ultimate water blasters designed for adults and teens who want to make a splash. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, these water guns are built to last. With electronic flashing lights and a powerful lithium battery inside, you're ready for action-packed water battles anytime, anywhere. Thanks to the automatic water suction system, this ZNMSQ water blaster delivers a powerful, continuous squirt with just a pull of the trigger. No more tiring pumping, just pure, effortless fun. Perfect for outdoor summer fun, these water guns are designed for everyone, boys, girls, and adults alike. Whether you're at the beach, in the backyard, or at a pool party, get ready to soak your friends with style. This electric water gun has 4.7 rating and 10,000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Safety is our priority. This ZNMSQ electric water guns are chemical-free, CE certified, and completely safe for all users aged 14 and up. Looking for the perfect gift? This electric water gun is a fantastic choice for events, holidays, or just because. So why wait? Grab your ZNMSQ electric water gun today and dive into the coolest, most powerful water battles of the summer. Introducing this M416 electric water gun, a high-powered electric water pistol designed for maximum excitement. With its electric functionality, this M416 delivers high-speed, continuous water delivery that will leave your opponents drenched in no time. Whether you're at the beach, in the pool, or in your backyard, this M416 is perfect for outdoor water battles. It's designed for ages 3 and up, so the whole family can join in on the fun. Powered by a 3.7 volts lithium battery, and yes, it's included, this M416 ensures you're always ready for action. With a strong driving force, this electric water gun can shoot up to an impressive 10 meters, making it perfect for long-range water battles. This electric water gun has 4.4 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. And when you're done playing, this M416 electric water gun packs neatly in its colorful box, easy to store and ready for your next adventure. Choose your favorite color, blue or pink, and get ready to make this summer unforgettable. This M416 electric water gun is strong, durable, and packed with fun. Get yours today and turn any outdoor day into an epic water fight. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.